Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get started with navigating in DaVinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official DaVinci Resolve program on your PC if you haven't already. After you have opened up DaVinci program for yourself for the first time, it's going to look like something like this after you have created your new project. So as you can see here, you can go ahead and create a new project if you do not already have one by going to the file option, clicking new project, or you can go ahead and open up reset project if you already have one. So after opening up your project, it's going to appear right here, and now we can get started with adding our videos to our project to get started with editing them. So we have two options guys. Either we can just go ahead and open up our videos folder and drag and drop our videos into right here, or we can go to the file option and then click the import button and start adding our media. So after adding your media guys, it's going to look like something like this. So here is my project I already have, and after opening up my project, the videos are going to appear right here, and we can get started with adding them to our timeline right here by dragging and dropping them, so we can get started with editing them. So as you can see, it's going to look like this is our timeline. We have added our videos, and now we can get started with editing them guys, and basically all the options you need are right here at the bottom of the page. We have the cut option, we have the edit option where we can get started with adding effects and so on. We have the color option to manage the colors, we have the audio and so on. So here you can get started with navigating and finding everything you need for adding effects to your video and getting your perfect and desired outcome. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to get started with navigating in DaVinci Resolve. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on so you can always be notified when we upload a new video. But guys, thanks for watching today's one. I hope to see you in the next one, and bye.